Unlike the United States, where cervical cancer rates are very low due to widespread screening, in the developing world, cervical cancer and breast cancer are the leading causes of cancer death in women. Today, the high cost of instruments required to run most diagnostic tests is a huge hurdle for the strained resources in the developing world. And that's why we're here to make a difference. We feel that world health can be improved by providing low-cost, state-of-the-art diagnostics that can be run on existing platforms. These machines, in a broad sense, are called flow cytometers. Flow cytometers, very simply, are machines with a laser that are able to analyze cells one cell at a time. These very sophisticated, yet small and economical machines are being used for only one diagnostic test, when in fact they can be used for a whole battery of tests. These tests will include our cervical cancer diagnostic, which is already in the market worldwide. We're detecting whether or not you have a pre-cervical or cervical cancer lesion. We're in the process of developing a breast cancer diagnostic, and will provide valuable information to the clinician on how to treat and manage women with early stages of breast cancer. Very little manipulation of these machines needs to be done to provide diagnostic information on breast cancer, cervical cancer, and other diseases such as hepatitis C, Epstein-Barr, and cytomegalovirus. The training for the tests offered by Ppri is very straightforward. So the great thing about this assay, besides being state-of-the-art, low cost, is that the workflow will not be any different than what they're commonly used to in performing CD4 counts for the HIV/AIDS patients. 85% of cervical cancer worldwide happens in the developing world. The advantage of our diagnostic test is that it tells if a woman, at the point that she comes into the clinic, has a pre-cervical cancer or a cervical cancer lesion, because you may never see these women again in the clinic. So it's important to realize whether or not you have a lesion when you present to the clinic so that it can be taken care of at that time. Our hope is in the future that somewhere between 5 and 10 additional tests can be run on these machines in addition to the one test that is already being run on them today.